Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mishakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In the Christmas series, the next nail art is the snowflakes nail art. So let's get started. Back with my same gisapita, or the people who don't understand what gisapita is, the same old dialogue. You can use any colors of your choice or any colored rhinestones. I have just gone for red colored rhinestones here, and this is how your final nail art will look like once you're done. I hope you enjoyed watching this nail art tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mishakal Me, and watch my other Christmas series nail art and other videos on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and please guys do show some love to my channel. And thank you for watching, and I shall meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care, bye.